What's up guys, welcome to a new video, welcome to a new update in the coronavirus situation. In this vlog let's see how we can stay active and busy. For now, let's go for a bike ride. Not bad for a first time. Next up, hedge trimming. Next up in the Corona lockdown series, let's paint this little table black. We're out for a walk in the woods. It's another beautiful day, the sun is out. It's great to be outdoors. We're lucky enough to be in good health. Our thoughts go out to all people who are sick in these crazy times, all people who work in the hospitals, in grocery shops, etc. People who get in touch with possibly sick people every day, so they're very courageous people. Back on the bike, just warming up. We are out for our first long ride of the season, 107 kilometers. It's pretty chilly outside, the sun is shining. In, headwind is strong, the views are worth it. Little over 40k in, 67 to go, just stopped for a little break. Let's keep cracking on. About 60k into the ride, halfway. We're averaging about 6k faster than the first half, thanks to the headwinds and now tailwinds, going a lot faster, which is fantastic. Legs are still feeling good. About to grab a quick snack. Let's keep pedaling. See you soon. I could get used to this tailwind. 97k in, almost at the end, 10k to go. Nice road, tailwind. There we have it, guys, 107 kilometers on the clock. Legs are smashed. Give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, see you in the next video.